Known to Muslims as Haram al-Sharif, the holy sanctuary, and to Jews as the Temple Mount, this site inside the old city of Jerusalem is sacred to both religions. For Jews, it's revered as the site of two biblical Jewish temples. For Muslims, it's where they believe the Prophet Muhammad ascended to heaven. For decades, it's been the flashpoint between the Israelis and Palestinians. After the Six-Day War in 1967, Israel occupied the Old City and East Jerusalem. Since then, the holy site itself has been administered by a Jordanian Waqf, an Islamic trust. There is an agreement in place that Jews may visit but may not pray at the site. However, some Jews have tried to worship at the Temple Mount, regarded as provocative by Muslims at the site's Al-Aqsa Mosque. Many Palestinians are suspicious that some Jewish nationalists want to challenge the Waqf's jurisdiction over the area. Benjamin Netanyahu, Israel's Prime Minister, has said that he does not want to change the delicate arrangements governing the site. On the Palestinian side, there have been voices saying that the latest violence may start a third intifada or uprising. But unlike the previous uprisings, most of the recent attacks by Palestinians have been committed by individuals acting on their own. And neither the Israeli government nor the Palestinian Authority seem to be fully in control of the situation. The big question now is whether these attacks will lead to a wider conflict, which would further undermine any hopes of peace between Palestinians and Israelis.